We'll guide you through how to move files and folders in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because perhaps it's currently in the wrong place and you want it to be elsewhere. You can go and do this whether you're doing it within the same hard drive. So for example, moving it from your downloads to your desktop or something like that. But you may also want to do it because currently it's on one hard drive and you want to move it to a different one. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it's done, and we're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done as well. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise we may go and miss something important. So to go and get started, what you need to do is go and open up a file explorer. So you can click on that at the bottom of your taskbar. You can always press search and type it in to go and find it. Go and locate what you want to do this with. Let's go and say I have a document in my downloads. I'll come to the left and press downloads here. And let's say I want to do it with an image here. So what you want to do is, now I've got it, click, hold, and you can drag it onto your desktop. If there's multiple, do that. Or if it's a folder, it's the same process. So I've now gone and put it on my desktop like so. Now in your file explorer, what you need to do is you need to go and find where you want to move it to. So putting it on the desktop is like an intermediary step. So this is just the first way. If you don't like it, you can keep watching, there'll be another. So in this case, we'll then scroll down on the left and find this PC, as you can then easily go and find the different drives connected. And I want to go and put it on this external one called guide. So let me come into it, double click, and you can then come into a folder. Let's say I wanted to go and put it in the 1st of May folder, double click on that, and here we are. Now what we can do is from our desktop, you can then click, hold, and you can go and drag it, as you can see, and there it is. Now it's still on our desktop, but we've gone and moved it. So then what you can do is go and right click on it on our desktop and press the trash can icon at the top of this list, and it'll then go and be deleted from there. So that is the first way it can go and be done. Now let's go and show you another way. So what we can do is, for the second way, it basically saves you from having to go and put it onto the desktop first. So we can come and find it. Let's go and say it was on the desktop. What I can then do is I can go and right click on it, and you want to go and find the option at the top here for the scissors. This is cut. You can also use the shortcut Control X. I'll click there. Then what you need to do is go and decide where you want it to go and be. I'll press this PC to the left, and let's go and say I wanted to go and put it on the USB drive. I could come here. Then what you can do is you can go and right click and you can go and press paste at the bottom here, or you can press Control V, which is the shortcut. And there it is. And that'll then go and be moved from wherever it was because we cut it. And it means you don't have to go manually go and delete it from where it was. So that's it. Hope that helped this video. You managed to go and move it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.